Hey, it's welcome back. It's day 2. So yesterday I reached back around 6:37. So the whole day yesterday the whole day it was just a sitting routine. So I decided to go for a walk. I did a 5 kilometers walk. And the most interesting part is I forgot to collect a towel. So I went to the market. I brought a new towel and I had to wash it so that Indian mentality ki if you नवीन आणलंय दुकानातून कसं वापरू शकतोस धुवून वापर. So that's the same mentality which my mom told me. So I went to the market. I brought a new towel. After that I came back home, and for dinner I didn't go outside. This whole plan I decided to do on a very budgeted whole 4 days ka thing. I decided to do on a very budget based thing. So I went to Maxon's 2 days back. I brought some mutton keema parathas and I pan fried them and had that only, and I had yogurt so that I don't have any indigestion or any stomach ache or something like that. Today morning I woke up. I had bread butter toast. If I'm going to recommend you all one thing, if you'll go to Maxon's or any superstore, go to the butter section, like the dairy section, and try for the Amul butter with herbs or the garlic one. It is the best thing I might have had in the last 10 days. So yummy and so worth the rate, whatever it is worth of. Just apply it on a bread and have it. It's one of the most yummiest thing you all will definitely enjoy. After that, I packed all my things, brought some. My instructor told me wear a synthetic material shirt which has sleeves, because it will be easier for you to carry the equipment that we are going to provide, and also you won't develop any rashes. And it's almost 8 in the morning. The instructor told me to reach by 9:15, 9:20 to the center. So it's going to take me around 40 minutes. And if you like the previous day one, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to add more such there are more 2 parts to go, 2 days to go. So I hope you all enjoy that also. And also while leaving the center yesterday, one girl came to me. Such a sweet person she was there. She asked me like, what you're doing? I'm like, I'm just walking. I said, oh, is that a vlog? She was so sweet and kind-hearted, and if you all have not checked that out, go back to my previous video and see how sweet she was, and enjoy part 2. See y'all. Okay. Okay, tell me, Shinjini, what we are doing today?
Okay.
Day 2.
So yesterday was day 1 where we finished theory work. Okay, we have also finished quizzes and exercises. Today we are going to do all the practical parts which are going to be done in the pool.
Okay.
We have all our gear set out here. We're in the process of getting things done. That's the pool we're going to be using, and we'll practice whatever we learnt in theory yesterday and watched in the videos correlated to that. We will be practicing skills in the pool.
Okay, and we have with us today.
We have with us today Vyom, who's
Vyom.
also
Hi.
revising his skills. He's already a certified scuba diver, so he's doing an upgrade to open
Wow.
water. And that's Dushyant, who has finished theory before, and he is
Even
now
he's
back-
coming after a break of 2
Yes.
years, she told me.
Yeah, 2 years. So now he's back in the pool to jog his memory and practice the skills again
And
before he goes diving in
And
the
there's a
ocean.
third person also.
Yeah. There's another person, Mehek, Vyom's elder sister, who's also coming in. She's already a certified open water diver, but she hasn't dived in 2 years. So she's also getting in the pool to refresh her skills.
And here what we have, can you
So we have BCDs here.
just BCDs?
BCDs that can be inflated and deflated to help you stay afloat
Okay.
and help keep your equipment on your body. We also have regulators here, which is what we breathe through when we are diving. Then we have snorkels, which will be attached to the masks that we wear underwater. And once you go to the pool side, you'll see the tanks and how to set these up.
And these are called?
These are wetsuits.
Okay.
Which are made out of. Sorry?
I've completely forgotten how you wear this.
So you were going right.
Just straight,
zip at the
na?
back.
Yeah.
So these are wetsuits. They're made of neoprene and they help retain your body warm underwater by trapping a thin layer of water between your body and the wetsuit.
Cool. Day 2. Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai.
अरे सब लोग मुंबई से ही है ना रे. Thank you. There is a snake. There is a snake. I am not kidding. Fuck, dude, I'm not kidding. I am not kidding. I am not kidding. I swear. I swear, dude. I swear. अरे I swear. Yeah. You can see. ये देख ना.
Oh yeah, what the heck?
Dude, that is a snake.
What the heck?
What the hell, dude?
I thought you were kidding.
I'm not going in, bro.
Dude,
Shit.
dude, there's a snake. I just saw.
I thought you were...
I'm not kidding.
The way he said, I just.
I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding, dude. Now, first I thought that you all always feel like that.
There's a snake.
Dude.
I was in.
Always.
What color was it?
It was like 1 foot. यहाँ पे वो एकदम हमारे मैं पानी के अंदर है. हाँ पानी के अंदर.
मैं 2 मिनट खड़ा था फिर बाहर आया.
I told these people I'm like this.
चल दिखेगा.
this side on the right side of that. It's on that boundary. It's like hardly.
Right there.
One second.
Oh, okay. Don't go slowly. It's near that near the tank only. Just look from top.
Why look from top? You can catch it.
हाँ अरे मतलब it's like not easy I feel because it's going up and down.
मैं बाहर आ गड़न. ये नहीं मैं नहीं.
अरे I saw it at least. What you made a lot of noise.
क्या भगा दिया मेरे को डर लग रहा है अंदर जाने.
Understand what's happening. But today, since it's a busy day at the dive school, almost all of our gear has gone out. So I'm using.
That also the big group.
Yes. So I am using my own BCD. My BCD doesn't have a handle. It folds. It's a travel BCD which is foldable.
Acha. And how much it weighs usually?
My BCD.
Why I'm asking you know because see now you're a very frequent driver. So you carry it everywhere na while traveling and all.
Yes.
So how much it weighs?
Everything put together. No, my regulator and BCD put together is just about 1.8 kilos. 1.8.
Including this. Yeah, this is very light. How much?
This currently is the
This is
lightest.
yours?
Yeah, this is the lightest regulator available. In the market at the moment.
Okay.
Okay, Dhruvi, go stand behind your tank. Alright. So what do you do with your regulator? The DIN you are using is you pop out the dust cap like this. Okay. Now, if you have to get air, the air has to come from here. Now, the breathing units should always be in your right hand. As a beginner, breathing units in your right hand. Okay. And when you're mounting a regulator to a tank, the opening on the reg and the opening on the tank should align. Now see how it sits? Yes, perfect. You set it here. One second.
Yeah, just hold it. It's recording. After I can take done with day 2. Lot of like almost 6 to 8 hours of pool session. Morning 3 to 4 hours and now again 4 hours. Carrying my clothes back, wet clothes. We were taught different tactics like how to descend, how to ascend, how to change your from a snorkel to a regulator, how to change from a regulator to a snorkel, how to hover, how to do sessa, how to do a buddy ride, how to tow someone if you get a cramp, what to do. All these stuffs were taught to us. These are the basic requirements for open sea course. Heading back, it was a very fun day. uh, got to try on different various equipments. Never all like I used to always see these equipments in Discovery Channel or a National Geography, something like that, but never experienced in person. So it was a completely new experience for me. uh, uh, I had I was accompanied by three more people who had already done this course. They didn't do the open sea dive because of lockdown. They had done the basic course, so now they are also going to accompany me tomorrow for the open sea dive course. Actually, today it was a very, to be very frank, it was a very bad experience. The first time I wore a snorkel, and I didn't realize, like, once you wear the mask, you have to breathe only through your mouth. It's a completely new experience. You feel like मुंह से तो breathe करना है, but that's not the thing. It's a completely new experience to breathe continuous through your mouth. So when I wore the snorkel, I went underwater. I started breathing through nose. So the water went in. Nothing was thought, nothing. I just the equipment over. I went in the water and I did this because this guy who was with me, he was like, "Arey, acha acha kar," and that's when the first panic happened. I was shit scared. I was so scared. I was like, "अरे यार, इसमें मेरी फट रही है तो now what?" Now to the whole course 11. Tomorrow is the sea. My heart was completely pumping and racing. So the instructor came. She told us to do the first set of things. I took the regulator. Regulator is nothing, just the mouthpiece from which you get a air supply to breathe underwater. I was breathing so rapidly, like I was like it was. I was just so nervous and so scared. I just wanted to have as much as air as possible within me so that I don't drown or something. But eventually, I learned over the period of 4 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours. I learned that it was pretty comforting. The experience is completely new. You don't breathe normally with your mouth on a day-to-day basis, but underwater breathing is something else here. You just, it's a fun. It is so calming. It is so soothing. मतलब इतना मज़ा आया यार. I'm like अभी कल तो open sea है. I'm तो super excited. I hope you guys also are liking this. If you all are enjoying, let me know in the comment section.